Sir, I have breathing problems due to adenoids. Can meditation help me overcome it?
Meditation helps you overcome every problem, A to Z. You don't have to name any problem.
But how do I know that meditation can help me overcome it? Because
Start doing meditation, that's all. Meditation is the only answer for every question. It is the only solution for every problem. Whatever may be the problem, go into meditation. You'll overcome the problem. Nobody should suffer with any problem. Everybody should do meditation. And everybody should be always happy, bubbly, celebrating, joyful, dancing. No problems. No physical problems, no emotional problems, no mental problems, no financial problems, no social problems. Nobody should have any problem. When they have meditation, there will be no problem at all. Without meditation, all problems are there. They don't do meditation. They don't learn the new science of meditation.
sir, I have